Okay, so today I'm checking out the Quest 3S from Meta, which they sent out a couple weeks back, and I haven't had a chance to get around to it just yet because between the holiday festivities, still working, and being incredibly sick, I haven't really had the chance to dive into it just yet. That said, today is New Year's Eve, so I figured it would be a good time to dive into this and travel to a virtual world other than my basement today. And honestly, unboxing tech is always an absolute pleasure, especially getting to work with cool brands like Meta. So thank you all for watching. If you're here, be sure to say hi in the comments. I might just say hi back. And if you have any suggested VR content I should dive into just on my own time, please let me know down below. I would love to know your suggestions. But beyond that, actually unboxing this, you have the headset itself, which is far lighter than I thought it would be. It's actually super comfortable as well. And it has a included glasses riser. So I actually wear glasses day to day, and that actually, I need them for using any sort of VR headsets. And so it does include a glasses riser, which actually is also still super comfortable. So just throw this on. One thing crazy too is that, you know what? Let me turn it on real quick. The pass-through on here, after setting it up is pretty quick and easy. You can set your boundaries and all that fun stuff, but let me just record a video here. Oh, I want to talk about the pass-through because it's actually way better than I thought it would be. Like right in here, I can see that I'm monitoring myself. I've got some notes here for the video. And honestly, this is like insane pass-through. I can put that over there, look around at my surroundings, and it's there. I mean, that's unreal, dude. If I want to jump into YouTube, like that's wild. So anyhow, I think the first thing I'm going to do is probably jump into some gaming because I want to try out the new Batman game, and there's a lot of other games as well. So again, if you have suggestions, let me know. All right, so I've got my coffee, I've got my headset, and I'm going to dive into some of the games I want to try out, like Batman. The new Batman on here apparently is pretty sick. There's some other games that I sort of dabbled with a little bit in the past. I think it was like Asgard Wrath of something or whatever, and Beat Saber. I know a lot of people buy this specifically for Beat Saber, so I'm kind of pumped out to jump back into that. I had that on my PlayStation 5 VR quite a long time ago, so it's been a while since I played it. So I'm going to try it on here, see how that works out, and I'll let you guys know what I'm thinking.
They need our understanding, not incarceration.
Thank you for your call.
What the hell? He's here!
Now that I'm playing Beat Saber, I'm realizing there's literally no way to look cool while playing Beat. Add some flair. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is yeah, VR is pretty flippin' awesome, but there's almost no possible way to look cool while playing VR. Do I need VR to not look cool? But yeah, pretty sick. It does work up a sweat. Like, I am pretty moist right now. I'm not gonna lie, especially Batman. It wasn't even as vigorous as Beat Saber, but it got me pretty sweaty, which is actually pretty decent, especially because I'm just coming off a cold. Getting the blood flowing is definitely a good thing to have. Beat Saber, definitely a classic. If you're going to be trying any sort of VR game, get Beat Saber. I noticed some of the packs are pretty expensive. Like I took a look at the Linkin Park pack. That was like 20 bucks for like, I don't know, 10 songs. It's like, okay, you're buying the record almost. But in VR, if you want to have the Beat Saber stuff, the controllers, these are actually pretty sick, dude. Like I didn't even notice there was like a side trigger here until Batman told me to use it. And yeah, those poor dudes were probably just trying to feed their families, and I pummeled their faces in. All they did was watch Guard, and I probably put them in the hospital as Batman. But that's the experience, and it felt real in virtual reality, I guess. But yeah, the gaming experience is pretty sick so far. I'm definitely gonna jump into some more games and let you know how I feel about that. But yeah, definitely an awesome experience so far. I can like move around and get like really close to it. Like that is so flippin' cool. You can actually use your hands. I'm using my hand right now. You can, resize it. I can just be like, yo, all right, we're chilling. We're just chilling. And then I can be like, yo, let me just, right in front of my face. My gosh, that's cool. I like these more still though. So I took a bit of a break to cool down because I was smoldering. But one of the things I gotta say about VR in general, or at least the MetaQuest 3S, is that it's just so flippin' chill. Like, I'm gonna turn this bad boy on, and I'm in like my whole winter wonderland thing, and it is just sick, dude. Okay, so I kind of want to round out this review with just some of my thoughts about this headset, because honestly, truthfully, YouTube doesn't quite do it justice what this thing does, especially for the price point. It's kind of bonkers. If I'm to sum it up, it's pretty much like a game console, a movie theater, the whole social aspect of it. I had a chance to hop into some meta worlds and stuff, and there's just people walking around chilling and talking. Like I wasn't quite expecting that to happen. Not to mention the fitness aspect. If you're really gonna go deep into something like Beat Saber or pummeling some criminals in Batman, like that really does truly work up a sweat, which was totally awesome. The screen and speakers were actually pretty sweet, especially for media stuff. I had a chance to watch some of my favorite shows on a massive screen, which is totally awesome. I had a chance to play some Xbox on here. And the fact that all this is portable on this headset is actually pretty crazy. So yeah, an easy recommendation, specifically for the price point. One of the cooler things too was 360-degree videos on YouTube. I'm headed to Disney World in a couple weeks, and I was able to sort of go on a Disney World tour with the headset, which was pretty sweet, just to sort of see where I'm headed. And that was just kind of impressive. So yeah, of a lot of the pieces of tech I own, this is a chill, cozy, but extraordinarily useful piece of tech, and I am definitely here for it. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if you guys have any sort of recommendations on things that I can sort of use this for, to hop in there, whether that be, productivity or entertainment, media, fitness, whatever you guys want to recommend, please let me know. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys watching till the end. Till next time.